So you can see no power at all to the display. So this microwave was not working. So this is a weird repair, so to say, because it wasn't actually a broken part. So follow along. Basically, you want to check all the connectors and you want to remove this piece up top. You slide it to the left. There are 2 screws. Remove those. Then you want to check this connection right there in the door. Unplug it. Plug it back in. And pretty much just pay attention to, I call it the signs. Anything that is weird, that is, you close the door, you notice a little spark or something. And that pretty much can tell you that something is not making contact. So basically, check wires, check the connections. While you're checking the wires, it has to be live. Did you see that spark? There's a slight spark. So the light came on. That's when I said, yeah, something is weird. So we're going to remove this panel here, and we're going to be going back there, and we're going to be feeling and moving wires just to see what is going on. So first, we're going to remove the circuit board area and 1 screw, and you're going to slide it up and tilt it forward. Now you can see the light came back on. So right away, something is not making contact. Sometimes it could be a loose connection, or it could just be a wire that's not making contact. So I was checking the relays. Tapping it to see if anything would pop out, light back on. That blue connector, I did unplug it. Plugged it back, light went off, light came back. So basically just feeling around, see what is going on, especially when nothing is actually broken. You have to kind of find out where the loose wire is. You see that? Power just went off. So just keep checking wires, keep moving. But now we're going to be removing that piece right there in the front. It's a Phillips screw. Trying to pinpoint exactly where the issue is, but it's definitely on that wire. And just be mindful while you're moving around the wires. It is live. It is a live test. So if you don't have gloves, use a plastic or a wooden, spoon or of some sort. Just slowly push and move the wires until you can find or pinpoint which one is actually causing the issue. And once you do, disconnect power before you remove anything, and then you can dig in to pinpoint the issue. And when you move those, be gentle, don't be too harsh, because you do not want to break the solder joint on those. They are not that heavy duty, so just be mindful. And of course, this is a power off test. Make sure you disconnect power before you touch the fuse. It is live. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Basically, we were able to isolate the wire, tuck it back down, and this repair has been over 4 months and have not had a call back, so just a weird repair. Figure I'd share it with you guys in case you run into this. Thanks for watching. Wire was not making contact. It looks like the solder joint might be loose, but I was able to move the wire because another wire was pushing on it. So if it acts up again, we might have to either solder it or replace the micro board. Actually, the microwave that I have in the warehouse is just like this, identical. But I haven't checked it, so I don't even know what's wrong with it. It's hot. Steaming away.